What's going on, everyone? I would like to welcome you to my channel. My name is Billy and everyone calls me Mr. Fix-It. I'm an auto repair shop owner and ASE Certified Technician. I have a passion for fixing things and saving money by doing projects myself. On this channel, I will be giving you how-tos and DIY tips and tricks on home improvement, auto repair, and everything in between. I just wanted to hop on and introduce myself. Be sure to like, subscribe, and set the bell notification to all so you'll be notified of all my latest videos. I will be doing weekly videos, so if you have any suggestions for future content, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned so I can save you time and money on your next project.